Okay, so haircut is you want it like just an inch? Is
Yeah,
that
just a
okay?
little bit. Yeah.
And also layer, right?
Sure, yeah.
Okay. And okay, sige. And then sa color, balayage tayo ha.
Yeah.
So ida-dark pa natin to ha, hindi pa tatapos. So ita-transform natin to later. Yeah, so ida-dark natin para mas maganda yung kulay. Okay? Okay na. Sige na. Start na tayo. Hello. You look prettier.
Thank you.
Okay, so ayan na siya. So this is balayage. So darker here and then more highlights at the bottom. Ganda. You don't understand Tagalog? Not even...
Or a little bit, but
A little bit.
I don't speak it.
Okay, what? So your first language is English. Kasi you're from the States, right? We're in the States.
Seattle, Washington.
Washington. Oh, wow. Yan na siya. So, I will talk to your mom how to take care of your hair, ha? And then you ask her na lang, ha? Okay? Basically, 4 lang naman yan eh. Alright, thank you. Okay na, go.